Hi, it's Anna. So I downloaded a bunch of stuff on my computer and I thought I will make a special type of videos installation with Anna. So in this video, we're gonna download Kali on Virtualbox. Let's see how fast we can do it. First, let's head to Google and say download Kali Linux. So let's click on Kali. And it says choose your platform. What I want to is I want to download Kali for virtual machine. And here we have this option Virtualbox. Okay, that's convenient. Let's click that. While we're downloading that, let's just try and open my Virtualbox. Let's have it ready. How about I make it a little skinnier? Now it looks good. Okay, looks like file is downloaded. Let's open it in my folder. You can probably skip this part, but I personally just trying to keep my computer files as organized as possible. So maybe we can just keep all the files for VirtualBox together by creating separate folders. Okay, now let's try to add a new virtual machine. Wait. Let me move my folder into VirtualBox folder. Okay, now they're all together. Okay, so this is not an image file. Instead, but let's go into the folder and can we run this file? Okay, I don't want to buy anything, so I suggest we continue with advertising. Not a big deal. Look at this happy man from my hotels. Makes me want to travel and stay at my hotels. Okay, let's extract it. Okay, so looks like it's done. Took about, I don't know, a minute. Oh, look, we have it in our Virtualbox. Can we click it? Look. And we got Kali working now. Can I try to log in with my Ubuntu password? Anna, don't tell anyone. No, I cannot. Okay. How about we ask my best friend ChatGPT? How do you log into Kali? Username Kali, password Kali. Seems like Kali stole my idea for username and password, don't you think? Okay, let's try that. Kali. And look, we're in. Now we can explore it. So that was super easy. The final verdict is A for an easy installation. If you want more installation videos, leave me a comment below if it was super not useful to you. Also, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and also if you want to buy me a coffee, there is a link somewhere to buy me a coffee website. Bye!